නිවිලට විල නිවෙන නිවිල තිබිලා නැවත දැවෙන තුමක සුවඳ දුකක නිවෙන කැපි 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 ආවෙන යන්න නොයන ගමන තෙක් පරම සත්‍ය සැඟවෙන පට බැඳුනම කඩවර ගම වටේම බොරු මවාපා
Namaskar, my name is Vinesh. In this video, I'm just gonna react to a highly requested Sri Lankan rap. So you guys like spammed and just like in my Instagram and in my just YouTube comment section, you guys want me to react to. Thanks to all the subscribers, especially shout out my subscriber. If she is watching Senara, so if she is watching, I think she is from Australia and she is a Sri Lankan living in Australia, I guess. Also, I just like saw in statistics how many Sri Lankan videos there is like statistics next to Sri Lanka. The next country is like Australia. So it seems there are many Australians who, many Sri Lankans who live in Australia, I guess. So shout out to all the people who just watching me. All the Sri Lankans who watch my videos in Australia. Shout out to you guys. Thanks for letting me know. Senara, she's the one who requested me and wanted me to react to this song. And besides that, there were like many comment sections. So if you guys if you guys suggest to me, shout out to you. And I'm so much excited because Sanuka is here. And besides the fact it's like a new rap team I'm gonna react to. It's called Drill Team. That's exact name of them, I guess. I'm not sure. And the name of the song is called Deviyangi Bare. That's how it runs, I think. I'm not sure. Do let me know what is the meaning of Deviyangi Bare. And we are good to go. And before getting into the reaction, and just usual things which I just say, subscribe to the channel, join the V Gangla Familia. Yes, I call me subscribers as V, and join the V Gangla Familia by hitting the subscribe button along with the notification, because the notification bell is important so that you get notification every single time I upload a new video. And do follow me in my social medias like Instagram, leave a like in my Facebook page, all the little things just makes your boy smile and give some inspiration. So please do so. Link in the description all out. So I don't delay much further. Already the video is like 8 minutes long. So without getting much to it, let's go vegan. Okay, I think I don't want to pause that much because I want to vibe with it. Oh, I don't know if the Drill Team has like it's like a rap group or something. Do let me know about them.
Yeah. Drill Team singing her records.
Chanuka.
මතකයියද වැනි දවසක සැමරුව ඔපන්දින සාදය අප මොනවගෙන්ද අඩුපාඩු පොන්නද කන්නද සල්ලිම ජීවිතේ උනේ විඳවන්නද අතෙන් ගිලි බැඳ ගිවිසුණු පෝරුව පින්ද පොරොන්දු මම අඩි කෝදුව මැන දහසක්දේ ඇය ගිය සමග දුව සූදුව හුරුව පව පූරුව නයයි අවුරුදු හයයි පුරු කනින වහින හිත බයයි මල මනස මල හිත අලස කර යත චාප
He took the coolest from the guy. Yep, they are a team. So for two, he is the second guy who's singing. Oh my god, my head is gonna pain through the video, I guess, because the sound is so fire. All of a sudden it's just like increasing the speed of the flow. What? Okay, third one.
මනසට හැඟීම මගේ පොර බැදූ මායාව මා වැදූ හැදූ රුධිරලේ මස්සේ දුක දනි ඇති බොරු කළ දැන් පිළිගමු සත්‍යයේ අරුත ජනදේ හිරිකඩු වර්ණයේ කරුක තුරයි කිනි කඳු කාලයේ අරුම මිනිසද ගුණ යමක් කල්පනා කරමි සෑයග කිරි හඬු මරාගෙන මැරෙන කඩාගෙන හැදෙන සමාජය නගන ය ඇහැකැවියම අතාගෙන ඇවිද හිතාගෙන ලැබෙන දේ බාර කරපන් දෙවියන්ගේ බාරට දූවිලි මාවතේ
Hey, hey.
එලිපෙනෙයිද ආදරෙන් ලතවුල් මාරුතේ
Yo, wait, is this Sanuka? Oh my god, when this video got released? 2014. What the fuck? Sanuka looks like a, what is it? He's looking like college student, man. I was confused for a second. Okay. And do let me know what they're rapping about, guys. Color. And the way, you know, usual all rap videos, the location will be like, what to say, abandoned building. So far 4 guys sang besides Sanuka. I think he is the fifth one. Yeah, I'm vibing, man. As I said, my neck is gonna play through the song. What a fire song. Damn, this is like the blood capacity, you know. They got some real lung capacity, man. Okay, they got Sanuka. Adare. I heard that word before. Look at this location, man. I'm just done because so fire, man. Especially this guy. Oh my god. Do let me know his name. So fire. Compared to all the ones. Oh, you gonna shoot? Oh, they just turn against each other. What did I witness? What did I witness, guys? It was awesome. And first when just Sanuka came, I thought like, is it Sanuka? Because I just can't recognize his face, but at the same time he was so young, like a college student, because it's like obviously a old song. How much views it got? 2.9 million. I'm gonna like the video, man. Nice guys. That's awesome. Wow. So it's basically a top-notch rap video when it's like Sri Lanka. I guess that's the reason many of you guys want me to react to. Especially shout out to my subscriber again, Senara, if she is watching. Thanks girl for letting me know, and to all the people who just requested me, guys, you guys are the best. And that was so fire, man. So that was really fire shit, like I gotta say. And it's like also, do let me know guys some fire rap videos like this. I'll definitely react to. And also Costa song I react to. I got like so much stuff, man. I think, guys, should I make a new channel for Sri Lanka? Because that much, man, that much records. So I appreciate all the love and support. All I need is I need some time. I hope you understand, because I react to way more stuff. Just give me some time. I will just work on it. I will just do my best. And yeah guys, and before ending this video, I just want to say, if you're new already, if you haven't subscribed, join the V Gang La Familia. Yes, I call my subscribers as V Gang. Join the V Gang La Familia. It's completely free. Just hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell. The notification bell is so important, so that you get notification every single time I upload a new video. And besides, do follow me in my social medias like Instagram, because the subscriber who requested me this song is like, she's following me in my Instagram. So you also just go right now, follow me, just show some love to your boy, means a lot to me. Also, if you're active in Facebook, leave a like in my Facebook page. All these little things, as I said, means a lot to me. And yeah, Obata Sututi, thank you guys for watching my reaction. Do share this video to the maximum, okay? That's like important. I want to stress around. Do share this video to the maximum. With the being said, I'm just going to end this video right here. As always, I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye bye.